Hi, nice to see you guys. This is Katja. Long time no see. I have received a box from your creative studio. So I have only opened it and let's check what's inside. I have no clue. I haven't opened any one. What I like so much about the creative studio boxes that they are so beautiful packaging. So we start with something like this, masking tape. I don't really know the theme. I don't know. I want to be because I will use these boxes when I be creative. They are perfect for mini albums or something. Right now I don't know the theme of this box. We check it if we find out. Wow, look. It's like vintage watches and some swirls. Lovely. I like it a lot. My taste. Okay, more washi. I guess it will be some kind of pattern. I opened it safely because I love to use these boxes for mini albums. Yeah, beautiful brownish. I love it. How could you not love these products? Okay, cling stamp. I guess there will be like, what do you call it? The train, the locomotive. I don't know the name. Oh, it's gorgeous. I like it. Really vintage. Yes. Woo. Or if you want to do card making, it's perfect for mail cards. Ah, I see more like perhaps some traveling theme, I guess. Yeah, it could be a traveling theme. We watch and let's see what we find here. Yeah, more trains. Locomotive. Yes. Just amazing. Steam. Yeah, steam locomotive. Oh, wow. Okay, we know the theme. Some traveling and vintage. I guess something like that here also. You see, you can use it in the mini albums. Oh, two things here. It's like a railway station. Yeah, beautiful. And locomotives, so trains. Beautiful, beautiful stamps. Oh, so many stamps in this kit. Ha, so amazing. Okay, what would I start with? We check out this. It's like, look at these beautiful. You must keep them. They are amazing, and the inside also. That's what I like with these kits. There are always like so many beautiful, so many beautiful texts. Ha! I love them. Such a inspirational, just beautiful, like pieces from magazine. And it's like a feeling they are like double-sided. I guess they are like with stickers. Whoa! So easy to have if, when you travel and you want to be creative. You don't need the glue. I will keep that one. So for sure. Okay. Wow, look, I only see in the packaging. This is just amazing. We open and see what's inside. Ah, it's a small, like a block. Wow, like stamps and paper, like old papers and yeah, stamps, traveling. Wow, look how beautiful. I love it. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay, globe map. Something more. We open and we check it out. Yeah. Oh. Ah, what's happening? I can't open. I will cut it. Okay, it's small pieces. Wow, look! Some chilies and stamps, maps. Wow, small maps. A little bit different colors. Yes, just lovely. I love them all. So, what a beauty. What a beauty. Look how much in this small box. There are so much stuff in the box. It will stay so long. You can create so much. Stick notes. Ah, cuties. Travel plan stick notes. Perfect. With the locomotive. I love this brownish. Perfect. You can do something to have at home. Or when you travel, you can have like a small note when you can have. This is like stickers, and it's locomotives, a lot of them. Really fun to put on envelopes or anything. Old newspapers. This was really vintage and lovely. Wow, just my style. I love this. It's more delicate paper. Yeah, and look, wow. I can't get enough of this kind of paper, and so many of them. I could send to some cute friends or to give away when we do some crafting together, because there are so lot of them. And my phone, so sorry, playing games. What are these? Postbox, and they are so well packaged. We open and see what we have. And I hope you people check out your creative studio. You can do subscriptions to have lovely boxes every month. World Wonders. Yeah, wow, it's like pieces from famous places. Big Ben, New York, Paris, more, Australia. Like cute, like stamp shaped. I love, wow, New York. I don't know that one. You know, Pisa. Yeah, and here all cars. Lovely theme, and so many of them. Perfect. And what we have here, bigger pieces and gorgeous train. What such a inspirational papers. Wow. And look what's in the packaging. They have also the same here, the paper ephemera. Look, there are like, some are really soft and it's perfect for decoupage. And look at these lovely patterns. Yeah, I love these. They are just amazing. Some more delicate and some with more pattern. And some of them are more heavy and with like stickers. And some are more like decoupage. So the use of them are endless. And this is like glossy paper. It's amazing. Imagine you can do like small packaging of these, or to do some lovely die cuts. Yeah, a lot of papers and the same but in different qualities. Just amazing kit. So you must check out these lovely subscriptions, because it's so much in these boxes. Yeah, so it's so many things in the box, so you must check out the website. I will give you in the box down below. I will give you the link. I will give you the link down below and you check it out. Just a lovely, lovely box. And nice to see you, and I say bye bye, see you soon again.